Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Also, thank you for 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I had to celebrate this milestone and I had to get something tech related because more than 200 of my subscribers came from my most watched video, the opinions on the Note 10 Plus. I do also know this video is very late, but on average I will still keep my uploads to 2 full videos and 2-3 shorts per month. I was just very busy and really not in the mood to film, to be honest, and I do also have a day job. Okay, so this is the Nokia N71, my first ever smartphone. Of course, this one I got here is not new. This was announced in 2005, released in 2006, but I got it in 2007. Not quite 20 years ago, but whatever. I got this from an actual Nokia store and paid about 350 euros in today's money, cash. I absolutely loved it, but let me give you a piece of advice. When you get aggravated talking to a girl on the phone, don't just smash it to bits. It's not worth it, but anyway, that's a different story. Okay, so this is not in the original box. It doesn't have the original accessories. It does have normal wear, scratches, and the classic marks on the plastic in front of the screen from the keyboard and this middle plastic. And the battery and battery cover are not stock. Check out the original box. This came with a charger, a USB cable, a dongle for 3.5 headphones, and a lot of books. Let me know what you think about this. I think it looks okay for just $90. I did swap this front cover with my original one because it looks better. And I might do a comparison between this Nokia N71 and my daily Note 10 Plus. Maybe even my Fold 2, why not? But let me tell you something. This looks and feels extremely outdated. That's it. And thank you for watching.